ingredients: 2 large onions, thinly sliced 1 cup ground flour, Pyaz, 2 tablespoons rice flour, optional, for extra crispiness, 1 teaspoon carom seeds, ajwain, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, salt, to test water, as needed. Oil, for deep frying instructions. In a mixing bowl, combine the gram flour, rice flour, if using, carom seeds, red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, and salt. Mix well to combine all the dry ingredients. Gradually add water to the mixture and whisk to make a thick, smooth batter without any lumps. The batter should be thick enough to coat the onion slices. Add the thinly sliced onions to the batter and mix well, ensuring that all the onion slices are coated with the batter. Heat oil in a deep pan or kadayi over medium heat for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, carefully drop spoonfuls of the onion batter mixture into the hot oil. Fry in batches, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry the pakoras on medium heat until they turn golden brown and crispy, flipping them occasionally for even cooking. It usually takes about 4 or 5 minutes per batch. Once the pakoras are cooked, remove them from the oil using a slotted spoon and transfer them to a plate lined with absorbent paper to remove any excess oil. Repeat the process with the remaining batter and onions until all the pakoras are fried. Serve the hot and crispy Pyaz Ke Pakode with mint chutney, ketchup, or any dip of your choice. Indulge in the deliciousness of Pyaz Ke Pakode, crispy onion fritters that are perfect for snacking or entertaining guests. The combination of crispy outer layer and juicy onions, along with the aromatic spices, creates a mouth-watering experience with every bite. Enjoy these pakoras with a cup of hot tea or as a side dish to your favorite meal.